Now we'll discuss the ozonolysis. Okay, ozonolysis. The formula of ozone is what? O3. Okay, what is ozonolysis? What is ozonolysis? Means indicating ozone lysis. Means in presence of ozone, some lysis, some breakdown is taking place. Ozonolysis. So what is this ozonolysis reaction? It is a what? Simply addition of ozone. Addition of ozone across the, okay, across the pi bond. Across the pi bond. Now tell me where you will find the pi bond. The pi bond is formed, okay, present in unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. And what are these unsaturated hydrocarbons? These can be alkenes. Alkenes, or maybe they are alkynes, or maybe they are aromatic compound like your benzene, favorite benzene. Okay. So, what is the use of this ozonolysis reaction? Where bromine and Bayer's reagent will tell you just presence of pi bond. అంటే పై బాండ్ ఉందా లేదా చెప్తాయి. కానీ ఓజోనల్స్ ఏం చెప్తుందంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పొజిషన్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ పై బాండ్, పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ పై బాండ్. ఓకే, పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ పై బాండ్ చెప్తుంది, ఎక్కడ ఉంది అని చెప్తుంది. అంటే 1 బ్యూటైన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 and 2 కార్బన్. ఓకేనా, 1 బ్యూటేన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 and 2 కార్బన్స్, 2 బ్యూటైన్ బిట్వీన్ 2 and 3 కార్బన్స్, 2 butane between 2 and 3 carbon. Exact ga. Because during this ozonolysis, what happens? Okay, what happens? First, ozone get added and forms an addition product called adduct. And that adduct is ozonide, which is a hut-like compound. Okay, గుడిసెలాగా ఉంటుంది. Okay, na? And this ozonide undergoes two types of cleavage. One is reductive cleavage. అంటే జింక్ మెటల్ యూస్ చేస్తే acidified వాటర్ లో జింక్ మెటల్ యూజ్ చేస్తే రిడక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. రిడక్టివ్ క్లీవేజ్. రిడక్టివ్ క్లీవేజ్ గివ్స్ aldehydes or ketones or diketones based on the alkene or alkyne respectively. And if you don't use zinc, only the ozonide ring, that is addition product of ozone with hydrocarbon, and such hydrocarbon is treated with acidified water, then undergoes oxidative cleavage and gives carboxylic acids. So based on the products formed, one can identify the structure of the starting alkene or alkyne or aromatic compound. That is the use of ozonolysis. Very, very important. Okay. So here, what is ozonide? I told ozonide means it is the addition product. Addition product of ozone with unsaturated hydrocarbon. And note one thing, one more point. When alkenes mean CC double bond containing, when alkenes are added, remember both the two CC bonds will be broken. Whereas if alkynes are added with ozone, remember once again two bonds are broken. Okay, out of 3 bonds, two only broken. Okay, now 2 only broken means still it will have a 1 CC bond. Therefore, alkenes give aldehydes and ketones. Okay, aldehydes and ketones which are 2 pieces, whereas alkynes give a diketone because still there is a CC single bond. Okay, and this ozonide on reductive cleavage. Okay, on cleavage. Okay, on the cleavage. Okay, cleavage. If you use only acidified water, oxidative cleavage takes place. If you use acidified water with zinc, then reductive cleavage takes place. And oxidative cleavage gives always carboxylic acid. The reductive cleavage gives carbonyl compounds, which are maybe aldehydes or maybe ketones. Maybe ketones. Okay, na? And addition product is called as what? Ozonide. Is known as ozonide. Simply, some people get confused by adduct. What is adduct? Product of duct of addition. Okay, product of addition reaction. Okay, now we'll see few examples. Now we'll see few examples. Now we'll see few examples. Okay. Okay. CH2 double bond CH2. It is what? Ethylene. And this is ozone. Ozone is triangular. See, this is triangular. And this ozone is added. Okay. First you get molozonide. Okay. మన సిలబస్ లో మనకు molozonide మాట రాదు. ఎందుకంటే molozonide లో 2 peroxy bonds ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి అది అన్స్టేబుల్ బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది. So this will okay form. Now what happens? Addition takes place. Both get added. Addition takes place. And you get here. What is that? Between the carbons, the 2 bonds which are present, they are broken. And here the ozone is added. 1, 2, 3. Okay. ఒక బొమ్మరి లాంటి కంపౌండ్ వస్తుంది. హట్ కనిపిస్తుందా? గుడిసెలాగా వస్తుంది, హౌస్ లాగా. And this compound is called as ozonide. The addition product is called as ozonide. Okay. Addition product of ozonide of ethylene called as ethylene ozonide. And this is on reduction. It is on reduction with zinc powder, zinc dust and esterified water. Gives 2 moles of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde means HCHO. See, the bond is breaking like this. This oxygen is lost. Okay, this oxygen is lost. Okay, CH2O, CH2O. And the water will combine with oxygen. So as byproduct you get H2O2. Okay, so ethylene gives 2 moles of formaldehyde, HCHO. If it is acetylene is taken, acetylene is taken, that is CH2 which contains CC triple bond. CC triple bond. Then as I told just now, what is that? Between the carbons, only 2 bonds are broken. Here 3 bonds are there in alkyne. So 1 bond remains as it is. So here on addition, we get an ozonide of acetylene which still contain 1 CC bond. And this is what your ozone added. Once again, hut-like compound. And this ozonide is called as acetylene ozonide. Because formed from acetylene. And this is see here, and this is on reductive cleavage with acidylated water gives what? Diketone. Okay, diketone. So break here, this will removed. Okay, reduction, and here breaks. Of course we know that a carbon should have 4 bonds, 1 H, 1 carbon bond, 1 oxygen. Therefore second bond with also carbon. Therefore CC single bond is there as it is, H is there, and each oxygen will have double bond. This is a diketone. Okay, C double bond Y is known as a keto group. So diketone, when the 2 keto groups are present adjacent, diketone. But here, since the molecule contains 2 carbons and the ends are CHO, means it is a diol. It is called as a diol. The name of diol. Ade other than, if it is other than acetylene is there, diketone. Now this is what? Diol. 2 aldehyde groups are present, CHO. And this compound is called as commonly glyoxal, because when aldehyde groups are at vicinal adjacent, glyoxal. The gly stands for vicinal. And of course we know that see here, the benzene is the see here, benzene formula C6H6, where acetylene is C2H2. The 3 times of acetylene is equal to benzene. So in the case of acetylene, 1 mole of glyoxal is formed on ozonolysis, whereas benzene gives 3 moles of glyoxal. And this test indicates confirmation that the benzene is a trimer of acetylene. So just to take simple example, when acetylene is passed through the red hot tubes, whether copper or iron tubes, అంటే ఎస్లిన్ గ్యాస్ ని ఎర్రగా కాల్చినటువంటి కాపర్ లేదా ఐరన్ ట్యూబ్ నుంచి పంపించామనుకో, వేరే ఎండ్ నుంచి ఏం రావాలి, బెంజిన్ రావాలి. బెంజిన్ రావాలి అంటే 3 మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోయి ప్రైమరీస్ అయిపోయి బెంజిన్ వస్తుంది. అలాగే ఒక రెడ్ హాట్ ట్యూబ్ లోంచి ఎస్లిన్ తో పాటు ఓజోన్ కూడా పంపించావు అండ్ కొంచెం జింక్ పౌడర్ వేసాం అనుకో, ఏం బయటికి వస్తుంది, 3 moles ఆఫ్ గ్లైఆక్సల్ వస్తుంది. ఓన్లీ ఎస్లిన్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, మామూలుగా ట్యూబ్ కాకుండా మామూలు యూజ్ చేస్తే 1 mole ఆఫ్ గ్లైఆక్సల్ వస్తుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా పిల్లలు? అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అదర్ ఆల్కేన్స్, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను ఎలా మేడం అని అంటే, వింటున్నారా? హౌ? ఓకే, now we'll take some other alkenes. So simple reaction I gave. What is that? Break the two bonds. See here, if it is other alkene is there, where alkene ankoni. Now say if it is propene. How many carbons in the propane beta? How many carbons in the propane beta? 3 carbons. Okay, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Okay, and this is on ozonolysis. First treatment with ozone, second treatment with zinc powder and H3O plus. Okay, so what you get a product here, ఏమవుతుంది, డబుల్ బాండ్ దగ్గర యాడ్ చేయాలి అండ్ బ్రేక్ చేయాలి. సో సింపుల్ యూస్ హియర్, break this double bond, add oxygen to each one. So what you get here, CH3 CHO and next is H2CO. I'll write here HCHO. The 1 mole of ethanol అంటే acetaldehyde, and 1 mole of methanol అంటే formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde. Okay, so based on the structure alkene, it's a simple shortcut to do the ozonolysis. If it is reverse, okay, alkene ఇచ్చాడు, ozonolysis చేస్తే ఏం ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటే డబుల్ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ చేసి ఆక్సిజన్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. జింక్ డస్ట్ ఉంటే జస్ట్ బ్రేక్ చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలి. అదే జింక్ లేకపోతే యాడ్ OH. okay, along with this add OH also, because you will get carboxylic acids there. Carboxylic acids means రెండు ఆక్సిజన్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి అక్కడ. ఓకేనా? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ రివర్స్, ఇప్పుడు రివర్స్ మెథడ్. సపోజ్ annex alkene is there which on ozonolysis followed by reduction with zinc dust in acidified water gives 2 moles of acetone. When you're asked to find out what is this alkene, then simple, what is acetone formula? What is acetone formula structure? Acetone is what? CH3 C double bond O CH3 means simply it is propanone, madam. It is propanone. So what do you do? Take the 2 moles of propone. Okay, propanone. O double bond. This is C double bond. Remove this. Have you broken this double bond with oxygens? Like this, remove these oxygens and fuse these carbons. So what do you get here? ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? CC double bond. These two are joined and this O2 is removed. Shortcut ఇది. చూడండి. And this is what? CH3 and this is CH3. And what is this molecule? It is what? Highly substituted alkene. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons means 2 butane at 2 and 3 places methyls. So 2,3 dimethyl 2 butene. So in this way the ozonolysis reaction is useful. Okay, it indicates how, okay, exact prediction of position of pi bond. Understand? Position of pi bond. ekkada pi bond undani cheppede ozonolysis. So because it is between the 2 and 3 carbons, you got 2 moles of acetone. If it is at first position, okay, it is at first position, you may not get 2 moles of acetone. The product is maybe different. So we'll see one more example. Simple example we'll take now. See here. Okay, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3, where this is 2-butene. Okay, next CH3, CH2, then CH double bond CH2, where this is 1-butene. Em cheppanu ozonolysis give you the exact position of pi bond. So on ozonolysis ante iddariki endi ozone plus zinc dust and radical cleavage on in presence of zinc dust and acidified water. Okay, em cheyali simple ga double bond break చేసేసి మేడం సారీ ఇక్కడ కాదు డబుల్ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ చేసి ఏం చేయాలి బెట ఏం చేయాలి అక్కడ ఆక్సిజన్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేసి ఏమొస్తుంది the first one gives both identical CH3CHO, CH3CHO, 2 moles of acetaldehyde, ఇది acetaldehyde. But second molecule gives 1 mole of propanol అంటే propanaldehyde, 1 2 3 CH3CH2CHO, propanaldehyde. The second molecule is formaldehyde, CH2O, HCHO. Understand? Okay now? Okay, and next, okay, now we'll see the ozonolysis reaction of benzene also. Now we'll see the ozonolysis reaction of benzene also. Okay, see here beta. I'll give you one question. Okay, ozonolysis. Ozonolysis of benzene. Benzene C6H6, which is cyclic planar. So see here. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం తేడా వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్లీ అంటే బుక్ లో ఈ ఐపీ లెవెల్లో వచ్చేసి ఓజోనైడ్ అని చెప్తారు బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ కాల్డ్ మొలోజనైడ్. ఓకేనా, ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ డబుల్ బాండ్ double bond. The benzene is aromatic compound because cyclic ring is there and alternated double bonds are there, conjugated pi system, and each carbon is sp2 planar. Okay na, any compound having the cyclic structure, conjugated pi system and planar structure can be aromatic or anti-aromatic. If it is obeying the 4n plus 2 pi rule, means Huckel's rule. According to Huckel's rule, if it contains 2 pi electrons, 6 pi electrons, 10 pi electrons increased by 4, then it is called as aromatic. So according to Huckel's rule, the benzene contains 6 pi electrons. Okay, it is a aromatic compound. Okay, so since this benzene has a pi bond at 3 different positions, okay, each position can attach 1 mole of ozone. So since this benzene has a pi bond at 3 different places, positions, 1, 2, 3, therefore it absorbs 3 moles of ozone and gives ozonide product. Okay, benzene ozonide. For this I need little big place. So see here. So just write this planar structure and break this pi bond, and at the place of this pi bond add ozone. Okay, ozone is triangular O3. Okay, okay, here also. And this is, I've sent you the notes, please get it. Okay, this is what benzene ozonide, and this benzene ozonide on reduction with acidified water and zinc dust gives what 3 moles of glyoxal. 3 moles of glyoxal, whereas acetylene gives 1 mole. Acetylene gives 1 mole, but this gave 3 moles. Reversed as a molecule. Elara saying kaadu. Okay, so this is okay, and next I will give you few questions. Okay, I'll stop here now.